Hi viewers, welcome to Penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Click Aristocat fountain pen. And here, let me take this pen out. And each pen comes with a blue box like this. And this is a transparent body, which means this is in demonstrator body and cap. And this video is specifically taken to give you clear insights on the pen, because just with photos you can't understand full details about this. So here, this pen has a silver clip and a silver 2 rings on the cap, and the brand's name Click was stamped here. And this is a thread type mechanism to open, and this is number 35 nib with SSF, a fine flex nib. You can also swap this nib as you like, since we have number 34 nibs in many brands. Usually pen enthusiasts will swap with candide nibs, where you can have a fine, medium and broad nibs, and again with the gold, dual tone and silver. And yeah, this is a flex one. Flex nib also available with another shades, and you can use the normal writing rest models nibs also. And for the nibs pairs, you can go to our site and click pen pairs, then go to nibs, and then you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And here I'm going to give the full measurements of this. The grip area's diameter is 10.7 mm, and the body is 12.6 mm, and the length of this pen is 129.6 mm, and length of the pen with cap is 137.7 mm. And here, this measurements will give you the clear idea about which pouch will suit this, which size pouch will suit this pen, or with this holding this actually this is the bigger diameter whole gripping area. So this pen is more suitable for adults who have bigger fingers, and the ink filling the reservoir capacity is more, so we can fill more than 3 ml of inks. And the length and the breadth of this pen will give you the idea of the holding and pouch. And here now the entire body weight of this pen is 16 grams. And also please note this, as this is a transparent body, please do not use primary color inks, so that it will create a strain on the wall of this pen. And again, on maintenance, please wash the pen regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on longer usage. So that you will slowly you will get a scratchy writing, and in the sign, slowly the ink will dry quickly. Then you have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. So the reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the dirts and deposits in the feeder, please remove the feeder and the nib separately by holding this. If you're holding this and trying to pull this out, this won't come. And the method here is, here to unscrew this part, and some another portion, a part will come, and this is called a twisting mechanism. And then you have to remove from here, and or otherwise you can directly wash this area. And for washing, soak this in the soap water for an hour at least, and then clean with the brush and also with the tap waters. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice that it is given on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So unless otherwise it is we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And again, on maintenance, all the threads are turned to worn out, so To increase the life of the thread, please apply silicone grease or Vaseline over this portion every time when you're opening and closing the grip area, and during the ink fills also. And whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads. So yeah, fill below the inner threads. If you fill in excess, you will get a leakage, and this will spoil your hands too. And the ink filling mechanism here is not only like eyedropper one, this is also an eyedropper one, and other you can use cartridges or converters. This is a two-way to fill the ink in this pen. And the another important thing, few nibs need to be fine-tuned, because during manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines like this. Yeah, like this, and this will create a space in between the tines, which allows the good flow of ink. In turn, we will get and smooth writing too. And please ensure both the tines are parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch a pens to our customer, we do this fine tuning, and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. Okay, then here I'm going to give the writing sample of this pen. For that I'm using our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. Wow, this is so smooth. Aristocat fountain pens are writing so smooth, and the ink flow is so equal. There is no problem with those nibs. As this is flex one, I'm going to give the flex writing sample. For better flex videos, you can refer our YouTube channel. Here I'm just giving the width size of this nib. Wow. Yes. Then if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.